Alright, so hey everybody. In this video I'm going to show you the stripping of the floor. Luckily enough, I've got some special tools for this, being a vacuum and this fancy head here for the grinder. Now on the grinder you're going to have a diamond blade, so that way you can get that mortar down off of the floor. And with that adapter on there, it kind of makes it so you can hold it flat and you can kind of just plane it all out and get it good and smooth. Now I'm going to have to come around without the fancy adapter and do all these edges. But that's the hibbity-dibbity on grinding this floor flat. A couple of these damaged spots from when we pulled the tile up. We'll smear some, probably some Bondo in there. Smooth that out. I got a little bit more here I still got to do here. So that's kind of how it was originally. In some places a little thicker, in some places a little thinner. Thankfully for me, they didn't get it super wet. And so it actually didn't end up a lot of it on the tiles itself. But real lucky on that one. So stage 2 is floor prep. And so that's going to be grinding that whole floor down, getting it flat. And then up here around these pedals, I'm actually going to come in and get rid of these screws, countersink all those, and then try to get this a little more level, because there's two pieces of metal here, leveled out. And then that way I can bring the floor up around the pedals. I'm not really a big fan of the coin mat up around there. I want it all consistent. So I'm going to do those all the way up to the front there. I'll give you a couple more shots here after I get this sucker all completely cleaned up here. But I just wanted to go through the middle of it there, give you some video off me grinding away, having to try to stretch this old motocross back out straight. It's one thing a dog always does, is stretch every time it gets up. And what an example. Us humans don't do that enough. But all right, here we go. Let me get this sucker all whooped out here and we'll get you a closer. All right, everybody. So I'm done for today. We'll call stage 2 is complete. Stage 3 we'll call laying the laminate. So we'll come back here. We'll take a look at everything. Come along. Peeled all the caulking remnants off of the base of these cabinets. Got this floor all leveled out. This stuff will be fine right here because that's actually level. And then I've got all this ground back here in the back. Come around and ground all the toilet room area also. So all the tiles ground, all the staple heads from the carpet are all ground flush here along the baseboards. And I've come in and I've gotten the steel plate here at the base of the pedals. There used to be 2 different layers there, so now I've gotten the steel cut out all down the one layer, reinforced the seam there, and got this all ready, so the flooring will actually make its way from right here all the way back into that corner and do all that. Now I've got this big chunk here together because I'll mark my spot and then I'll make it all and then try to get it all to slide into there. So this is going to be the flooring. It is going to be at this 45-degree angle, so when you come in the door, it'll be like this, and then it'll be at a 45 right here. And then we'll make our way all the way back to the back where that carpet is in the bedroom. Kind of come through and got that all dialed in. Got a game plan of how that's going to go down now. So I'll keep proceeding forward with this. Hopefully get you another video in a day or two when we've got some more of that flooring thrown down and everything. On these window boxes, I'm thinking about going with the black, almost black leather or ultra vinyl that's actually on the seats, and then go with the gray ultra leather here on the sides that's the same as the seats. So then I would end up with black across the top, the gray ultra leather on the sides there. Tell me what you guys all think of that. And then this dash is going to get recovered in that same ultra leather I'm debating whether I wanted to go the black or the gray. So comment below what color you think the dash should be, and if you think those window boxes are a good idea, or if you think the gray should be up here, or the whole thing should be gray, or fabric. I mean, shoot, you guys give me some ideas, help me out here. I'm not an interior designer. I'm truly an electrician, not a floor guy either, but what do they say? Jack of all, master of some. So that would be this case. So everyone, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss these future updates on my flooring and any other videos I've got coming out. Let me know what you think. Hit the like, the dislike. Tell me what you think on these floors. Really appreciate all the comments everybody's been doing, so keep on those coming. And everyone, I hope you're all having a great day. Till next time, bye-bye now.